Hey, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. Do you like beer? Do you like wine? Do you like cider? Have you ever thought about making it yourself? Well, if so, this is the place for you. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. Today, we'll be making a Pinot Grigio, so stay tuned. Today we'll be making a Pinot Grigio from a wine expert kit. We'll be making a 1 gallon, and so let's go over all the ingredients that you need are contained in this box. So let's go open it up and see what's in it. And along with this kit, I'll have a 1 gallon demijohn, and also I got a funnel. So let's open it up. Of course, it comes with the instructions to let you know what you'll be doing, what we'll be doing today. You got the juice. That's a little wiggly. Woo! Let's see, and a bunch of packages of stuff. So let's go through them. Okay, we got 1 package of sodium metasulfite. We got us a package of potassium sorbate. And we have a clearing agent. We will be adding this today. This is when you're finishing up your wine. You have 2 grams of your wine yeast. And you got yourself 5 grams of bentonite. And also you got an advertisement. So, and you'll need the funnel and the demijohn, like I said. So that's all the ingredients you need. So let's get to step 1. Cups of water here. You'll need 1 right now, and we'll save 1 for later. So step 1 is to add 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water and the bentonite. So I have my funnel here. We got our package of bentonite. All right, we'll shake it up and swirl it around and get it all stirred up, and we'll be right back. Next, we're going to get our next step in part 1 is to get our juice. Now, take the top off. It's kind of hard and it's kind of wiggly, so it says hold it real firm. We're going to add this to our demijohn. All right, and the other gallon will go into the juice bag to get all remaining juice out of there. So put that in there. Shake it up. Let's get the remaining juice out of there. All right. Yeah. All right, we got that done. So we're going to fill the rest of this demijohn up with water, and it says fill it up. If it's a 1 gallon glass jar, fill it up to right at the bottom of the handle. So we're going to fill this up, and we'll be right back to finish things up. Okay, we got our juice topped off all the way to the top, and I stirred it, like it said, for 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the yeast. So it came with its own yeast, and I don't know what kind it is. It just says wine yeast, so we'll add it to it. It said do not rehydrate it, do not stir it, just add it to the top. It said put your airlock on it, and it said set it aside. So that is the end of step 1, and so we'll be right back to wrap things up. Okay, it'll stay in the primary fermenter for 15 days. After that, you'll siphon it to your secondary fermenter, which is just another gallon demijohn. After that, you'll add your potassium sorbate, you'll add your potassium metasulfate, and then make sure that's well shook up. Then you add your clearing agent. Then after another 2 weeks, we'll move on to bottling the wine. And this is a wine kit from Wine Expert. It is a Pinot Grigio. And please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you're making or you might want me to make in the future. This is Chris with Winemaker TV. That's all there is today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.